Miss Shikata here, making my Galentines nightcap virgin Manhattan. Here are all the ingredients, my heart ice cubes, and my shaker. Let's get into it. So I'm putting all my ice cubes in the shaker. I forgot my orange blood bitters because that is needed for this recipe. Now, let me just say that I didn't have any specific measuring tools to measure any of the ingredients for this virgin Manhattan, but guess what? It all worked out. So I'm adding my lemon squeeze. And now I'm getting to the 3 Spirits nightcap. All of these ingredients are what gives you the calming effects, and it gives you a buzz, but it's just very calming. It kind of makes you just want to mellow out until you go to sleep. I did add a little bit more extra than needed, but guess what? I want to feel that little buzz feeling so I can enjoy myself for my Galentine's Day celebration. Cheers to me. And I'm going to put my cherries in to top it off. I'll take another one. Yep, right there. And it's perfect. So I have my scene set up, and I'm going to go ahead and nestle in with my virgin Manhattan. It is herbal, but it's still giving me a buzz. With my fur baby celebrating Galentine's Day, they can't drink, but I can give them a little snack. Get your nightcap. 3 Spirits today.